countless ma'am, teachers and my schoolmates.
Just don't give up trying what you really want to do. Where there is love and inspiration, I don't think you can go wrong.
Survive in peace and harmony, united and strong, we must have one people, one nation, one flag.
And also one soil. It is the most humble element of earth. It lives under our feet but nourishes everyone above it.
These positive vibes
We classes 7G, H, I and J
invite you all to this assembly.
Good morning. My name is Yagyesh Shukla. I am studying in class 7J. The soil is the great connector of our life, the source and destination of all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraksha Bajaj from class 7J of KPS Nehru Nagar Bhilai. Today's assembly topic is soil, so I'm going to recite a poem. मैं ही शून्य, मैं ही अनंत हूँ, मैं ही आदि, मैं ही अंत हूँ, मैं ही जड़, मैं ही चेतन हूँ, पत्ती, फूल, शाख, तना मैं हूँ, मैं ही घास, मैं ही वृक्ष हूँ, जी हाँ मैं मिट्टी हूँ, मैं दबी हुई हूँ बोझ तले, हर प्राणी जिस गोद पले, तुम सबने है छला मुझे, फिर भी है गुरूर तुझे, मैं तुम सबकी माँ भी हूँ, जी हाँ मैं मिट्टी हूँ.
Good morning. I'm Kaustubh from class 7J and today I'm going to be talking about soil. Soil is the top layer of earth on which plants and animals grow. Soil is defined as the reconsolidated particles derived from organic matters, water, air, and weathered rock. Soil plays an important role since it produces food materials on which the survival of mankind depends. Soil protects the planet from climate changes. According to Columbia's University Earth Institute, soil removes about 25% of Earth's fossil emission each year. So, just like how a foundation for a home is critical, soil plays as a foundation for plants by supporting plants' roots and keeping plants upright for growth. Soil is very important since plants grow on them, which produces oxygen, and we all know how important plants are. Humans wouldn't have been existing. We humans wouldn't have been existing if it weren't for the plants. And the plants wouldn't have been existing if it wasn't for the soil. Let's be all thankful to Mother Earth for gifting us healthy soil on which the life sustains and makes the planet Earth the most beautiful. That's all I like to say about soil. Thank you.
I am Akshaya Verma from class 7J. Today I am going to recite a poem. मिट्टी हूँ मैं. कौन हूँ मैं? ये मिट्टी. मिट्टी से बीज, बीज से पौधा, पौधे से पेड़, पेड़ से फूल, फूल से फल, फल से अन्न, अन्न से रक्त, रक्त से मांस, मांस से पेशी, पेशी से मज्जा, मज्जा से अस्थि, अस्थि से देह और देह से मैं. मिट्टी हूँ मैं. थैंक यू.
चलो ना।
आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए रे।
वेलकम टू KPS KBC। कौन बनेगा चॉकलेटपति। आज के हमारे कंटेस्टेंट हैं रोहन फ्रॉम क्लास 7G। तो चलिए मैं आपको रोहन के बारे में कुछ बताता हूँ। रोहन क्लास 7G का सबसे होनहार स्टूडेंट है। अब मैं आपको KBC के रूल्स बताता हूँ। हर एक सही आंसर में रोहन को एक स्वीट डिलीशियस चॉकलेट मिलेगी और हर एक गलत आंसर में रोहन को एक बिग जीरो मिलेगा। जैसे आप जानते हैं कि आज का KBC नोबेल प्राइज विनर के बारे में है। चलिए अब देखते हैं रोहन की काबिलियत को। क्या उसको छोटी सी प्यारी सी चॉकलेट मिलेगी या उसको एकदम बड़ा सा जीरो मिलेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द KBC क्वेश्चन राउंड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर रोहन इज why is the Nobel Prize award ceremony held on December 10 every year? Yes, I know the correct answer. The answer is Alfred Nobel passed away on this day. Yes, very correct answer. You will be a winner of this sweet delicious chocolate. Thank you, sir. In which 6 fields the Nobel Prize is awarded in every year? Yes, I know the answer. Chemistry, physics, medicine, literature, economics, peace. Right, brother, right. Again, you will be the winner of this chocolate. Oh, sir, thank you. How much amount is given to Nobel Prize recipient? Yes, I know the correct answer. The answer is a gold medal diploma with $1 million approx. Oh, brilliant. One more chocolate for you. Thank you, sir. Be ready for your next question. The Nobel Prize of Medicine 2021 was awarded for which discovery? Sorry, I don't know the answer. Can I take a lifeline? No lifeline for you. Sir, give me a chance. Sorry, dear. So, you are the winner of this big sale.
Oh no.
Rohan, feel proud. You are the winner of year 2021 KBC. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful morning to everyone. I am Avika Agrawal from class 7I and today I am going to speak some lines on Armed Forces Flag Day. Armed Forces Flag Day is celebrated on 7th of December every year in India with an objective to collect funds from people for the betterment of the armed forces staff just by selling Indian flags, badges, stickers and such other items. There are 3 main branches of the armed forces: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. They organize a variety of programs to showcase their efforts towards national security. The fund collected on Flag Day is also used for the welfare of serving personnel and ex-servicemen and also to rehabilitate the battle casualties. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Mansi, do you know about the superheroes of India? Oh, Sagrika, are you talking about film actresses and actors? Oh no, I am talking about the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force people. Yes, I would like to share the inspiration that we get from these superheroes. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says it is possible. Keep your face always towards the sunshine and the shadow will fall behind you. Dream high, aim high, work hard, remove the darkness with a ray of hope. We salute to Indian Army, Navy and Air Force heroes for their great sacrifices.
in an IAF chopper crash.
Farmer calls off year-long protest as center accept demands.
Omicron variant reported in different nations. Expect numbers to be continue growing by WHO.
Basta Travel protested over proposed security camp bridge.
CBSE conducted class 10th and 12th first term exam in offline mode.
KPS academic exhibition has been postponed to January month.
That's all. Wish you all a happy new year ahead.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अर्शिता देवांगन है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं H की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं हमारे पूरे KPS परिवार की तरफ से भारत के प्रथम चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस जनरल बिपिन रावत जी एवं सेना के सभी जवानों को अश्रुपूर्व श्रद्धांजलि कविता के माध्यम से समर्पित करती हूँ। भारत माता विकल हुई, नीला अंबर रोता है वीर तुम्हारे जाने से, सात समंदर रोता है शौक में मौन धरा हिमगिरी शीश झुकाए है, क्रूर काल के हाथों ये अनमोल रत्न गवाए हैं। एक ऐसा शाप लगा जनगण का स्वर रोता है, हे वीर तुम्हारे जाने से, सात समुंदर रोता है। चरणों में हम सब तेरे शत वंदन करते हैं, भीगी आंखों से तेरा श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की, जहाँ भोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है